Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to go a little bit crazy. We're going to do something that it's not usually done. We're going to put Floetrol with our acrylic, but instead of mixing our Floetrol with the water and of course the acrylic, we're going to pour some Floetrol on the canvas. Then we're going to do a swirl. I think it's going to be very interesting because I don't know that of anybody who's done this. So I think it's going to be interesting. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Well guys, listen, I have to admit that it takes a lot to impress me. But I have to say that this time I'm really impressed about the result. Well, of course, I just finished it, so I'm not quite sure what's going to happen, but at least you know, because you see it once it's done and dry. But I think it's going to stay well. Listen, there's a lot of cells, but what is unusual about it is that the cells have different forms. They're not round or they're not oval. They're really quite interesting. You can see it looks like, in some place it looks like birds or some kind of animal. So I think it's very interesting. It's almost like if we did this cells or this painting on purpose with a brush. So I think it's really great. I hope it's going to stay stuck on the canvas, but I think it will. To be frank, I did a little test on the corner of another canvas that I had, and up to now it's been almost 3 or 4 days, and it stayed as it was, and it stuck. And even in some place I only had the flow roll on the canvas, and it looks like it was some kind of a painting, some kind of acrylic, should I say, that it did put on. So listen, I think it's great. I think that, like I said, I'm very, very impressed about the finish. The details that we have, I hope they're gonna stay that way because it's so nice. So guys, I hope you like it too. I hope you're gonna try it because, like you know, it's very unusual. Normally we mix our flow roll with our acrylic, but I think it's interesting to try something else, and that's something else, we can say. So guys, hope you enjoy, hope you're gonna try it, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Bye.